653,104. That's the number of homeless people in America on a daily basis. You see, we see a lot of homeless people here in San Francisco. However, the social workers that serve them are often overstretched given the large amount of areas that they need to cover for the small group of actual social workers that are actually available. They're overexhausted with the long hours and lots of paperwork stuff that they need to fill out, whether that be birth certificates, social security numbers, or government IDs. And they're also underfunded since they often rely on private funding in addition to public funding. That's why we bring to you Elevate, which aims to empower homeless communities through a community crowdfunding. You see, Elevate provides two parts of the solution. First of all, we help to prioritize what areas social workers should actually go out to actually check for these kind of homeless people in order to figure out where to best allocate those limited resources. And number two is that we provide a platform such that when these social workers actually go out to the field and talk to these homeless people, they're able to figure out how to crowdsource donations in order help these homeless people to set up profiles in order to kind of crowdsource donations. In terms of an overview about our system architecture, first of all, we take in drone footage that we then pass into a real-time commentary multimodal model called Grok, and we store it into single store and display it in real time on a dashboard, live analytics dashboard. And this information can help to direct where we want to potentially send these social workers, so that with social workers they can then go out into the field, talk to these people, and based on that kind of audio, be able to generate real-time emotional detection using Hume AI, which can then be able to generate blog posts and help these people to potentially raise private funds, as well as track to see what are the potential tasks that are needed for people to actually complete their offboarding from being part of this kind of homeless community. As you can see right here with this demonstration, we have some drone footage where we are passing it into Grok's multimodal model and in flagging to see what the homeless probability of each and every single area is, as well as kind of tracking it on a map in real time. Now Rian will demonstrate the next part of our app.
Let's assume that I am a caseworker and I want to help work on the cases of homeless people who are scattered throughout San Francisco and all of the streets that have tons of homeless epidemics. I'm going to go over to the Ally view, and in our profiles, we can see a bunch of ongoing cases with our clients who currently are seeking employment or funding or task management. And so let's say that I want to create a new case for new clients, and I have to find this person. I can reduce the effort by going to Hume, and so I'll go ahead and start this call. My teammate Leah will do the talking.
Hello, my name is Leah, and I'm a recent graduate with a major computer science.
Perfect.
Hi, Leah. It's great to meet you.
We're gonna go ahead.
Let's start with some basics.
See the progress on that, and boom, it transfers over to Leah Huan's task manager or our Jira board. So over here, we can see all of the tasks that have to be completed for each individual client. Typically, this work is a very manual, labor-intensive process where they have to take physical documents and traverse back and forth between each of their tasks. But we have it all centralized on this one platform. If we want to go ahead now and see what the public profile looks like for Lisa, we'll go ahead and head back to our main page. And let's say that I'm a philanthropist or someone who wants to help support our local community and homeless clients. I'll go ahead and try demo, where it'll take me to a map overlay of all of our recent clients in the area right now. So we can see that there are 3 people right over here that are scattered throughout the city, and we can see an overview of each of the clients that we're currently supporting on this map. Let's say I go ahead and click on Michael Brown. It'll then direct me to Michael Brown's page. It gives me basic information like the gender, the age, and just what exactly Michael Brown is doing, what his life is all about. And we can see just how much progress he's completed through his Jira board and also how much money has been donated. So you can see the total real-time progression of your donations and the progress of this client's board. And you can also donate if you like. We have a very simple and very intuitive payments infrastructure here. So if you want to crowdfund, it's very easily accessible to anyone. And so that is our app thus far. And please help us support our local communities through elevating those in need.